This is a short video demonstration about ProgrammExpress, a web-based portfolio program project reporting, or sometimes known as a light PPM solution, where our aim is to automate project reporting and replace labour-intensive processes with a quick-to-implement, simple, intuitive and cost-effective solution. So we're going to do a quick demonstration of ProgrammExpress using one of our demo sites. ProgrammExpress is in the cloud. We're using on the login page the logo for Inchcape, and you'll notice when we go to the application we'll be using the colour palettes and logos for Inchcape. So we're going to log on as an administrator. And you can be an administrator, a write access user or a read-only user. It takes us into version 15.1, which is our new home screen, and as an administrator we can see all projects and see all functionality, and you can have different types of filtered views and roles. But from this home screen now we can generally see and do most things. So we get a view of the projects that sit within programs and portfolios, purely a demo structure, and this is made up by each client with as many portfolios, programs, levels and sub-levels as required. But you can see the health of each project broken down by the modules, shown here as icons, but better described through update tabs as commentary, plan, resources, costs, benefits, impacts, risks and logs. So from here you can look and drill down into screens to see where the problems are, or you can run reports, either reports that you have set up yourself, which are done from the reporting screen, or shared reports which have probably been set up by the central projects team, PMO or program office. ProgrammExpress is very much about simple data input for a lot of projects and powerful project, program and portfolio reporting output. So from a simple data input perspective, the experience for a user or a project manager is different, or it can be if you configure it to be so. And I'll just quickly log on the different ID of a project manager that has access to 3 projects and is only expected to update 4 modules: commentary, plan, costs and risks. So these are the projects they need to update. They can also have read access to other projects. So the experience for them will be to select a project, go into, in this case, commentary, click on the box, look at the previous commentary, make an update in the commentary threads which are configurable, move through to the planning screen, have a look at the latest plan, see what updates are required, updates and changes, through to the cost screen, add new cost item, make a change to your forecast, finish that, onto your risks, have a look at the current risk register, make any amendments. So very quick and simple for the project manager to update. Now probably when they've done that, they will want to have a look at their data or their new data on a report. So one example that's been set up is what we call a one-page summary, and it's very PowerPoint compliant, fits on a page, fits nicely into a PowerPoint slide. And you'll see the project plan on a page, reg status, milestones, bit of financial information, the commentary threads that have been set up. So that's the experience for the project manager. Nice and simple. Lots of projects, lots of project managers, and then administrator can go back in, be comfortable, but all the data's up to date, and there are plenty of audit trail and admin screens that can do that. Go back into the screen that we saw before, and now maybe drawn to the reds, and you could filter out the greens, filter out the ambers, maybe see why something's red. So select a project 1C, have a look at the costs. Why is that red? Look in the screen. Oh yeah, the forecast is now 800,000 against a planned budget of 600. Out of tolerance, therefore red status. So let's go back to the home screen, and probably the administrator is going to want to start running some reports. So I'm showing you a project report, of which there are others, but if I want to go up to program and portfolio level, this is where the power is. aggregated consolidated reports, go to a shared report and let's look at a RAG status summary. This is like your summary Excel that's real-time and automated. And there we have the portfolio, the programs, the projects, and the narrative commentary and the latest update that that project manager has made. I'd probably call that my weekly flash report, state of the nation in terms of the projects. Back to my home screen, and let's look at another example of a aggregated report at portfolio level, Gantt chart view. So now we're at the top level, so we can see the plan for every single project that sits beneath us, which is everything. So as a Gantt chart view, we use the red, amber, green methodology for our taskbars. Red means missed today's date, amber means forecasting to be later than expected, originally expected, and we could see the same data in a different view in a milestone summary. More of a timeline view and a higher level view, but you'll see here again all the key milestones on a row, project on a row, expected delivery dates, and the health again in terms of red, amber, green status. And then another report with the resource usage summary, again a bit of an Excel look and feel, a simple view of your resource forecast, what people are working on. Resources are aligned to the plan, so if the plan moves, then everything moves with it. It doesn't work independently of the plan. And you'll see here all your resources. You'll see what projects they're working on, the number of days in a period on a specific project, and then what that aggregates up to within that period for that specific resource. And you can start to see where people are over allocated or out of tolerance. That's just a very quick view. So having seen that short video and you think there may be requirements and we can help, there's the contact details. There's further demo on the website, and the call to action potentially is to arrange a webinar for the full functionality. Have a look at everything, or more preferable a face-to-face meeting, or plan a pilot implementation. But thank you very much for watching.